This is the universal shelf bracket. It's a molded plastic device that installs similar to the saddle ties, which are also included in the kit. There's a hook on the top, on either side, and these snap-in features to allow it to snap into the enclosure. The kit also includes 2 of the saddle ties and a 2-foot roll of this Velcro strapping. The router is both a cable modem and a Wi-Fi router, so we're putting it in the plastic enclosure, the RF transparent device. To install it, pick the location where you want it. We're going to go here. The product is about so tall. I'll show it to you in a moment. We're going to engage the hooks. Now you can engage the hooks either here, or you can move over 1/2 inch to give yourself a little bit more clearance if you don't need to install other modules here. That's an option that you have here. We're going to take advantage of that to give it a little bit more space on this side for cabling. Rotate it down, push these in on both sides, and snap it into place. To remove the universal shelf bracket, press inwards on the sides to disengage the bottom latches, swing up, and remove the bracket. Set it on here to make sure it fits. It is an odd shaped device. If we put it this way, then the cables interfere with the door. The door on this product was designed with extra depth to allow this type of large router to fit. We're going to set it here. In order to secure it, we have multiple methods of doing so. We can run a Velcro, which is included, over the top. There are slots for this, such as this one. You can run through this slot on the side and out the other side. There are central slots, so you can run Velcro through this way or this way. You can run it out the front. There's many options on this. What we're going to do though is use the saddle ties that are included and strap this device to the SMC, to the Structured Media Center this way. And this will keep it from coming out and interfering with the door. This will hold it most tightly to the back. So we'll pick a location for our saddle ties. So we want to make sure we get it low enough that the Velcro won't slip over the top. So we're going to come down about here, install the first saddle tie. Now we'll come across on the other side at the same height, put the hook in, push on the logo. And then from here, we can just go around it. There's plenty of strapping for this. We'll go around the back side like this. Set our product in place. And strap it in. Now this leaves us with enough material here that we can use this extra material to secure this power cord. All right, now we're going to tidy up this power cord. This power cord is going to plug into our module, like so. And this extra material we're going to use to tie it up to the bottom of the shelf. So I'll pull this out so we can bundle it nicely. Don't kink the cord. Nice big loops. And we'll put our strap around the middle. And what I'm going to do is take advantage of this front slot right here, which I showed you before. And we're just going to strap this bundle right to it. So we'll start by going around it just to tighten it up. We have plenty of material here. Then we'll go around this front slot here and tighten it up. Now I'll go ahead and cut that off in a moment. Make sure it all fits where we want it to plug in, so I can cut off this excess here.